We did not want this film to restrict itself to a regional flavor. So apart from Indian languages, we are planning to dub it in Chinese, Japanese and in English. ஆக்மெண்டட் ரியாலிட்டி அப்படின்ற ஒரு கான்செப்டில் அந்த விஷயம் ஷூட் பண்ணி அன்றைக்கி ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணது. அரௌண்ட் 20 to 23 இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் வேர்ல்டு வைட் were working to make that happen.
That Akshay is the real hero of the film. So tell us, who is the real hero of the film?
We were discussing with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Actually, Akshay ji came into this project because of his sheer passion and love towards cinema and his love towards Shankar sir and Rajini sir. It is not converted into 3D, it is created in 3D. All our advertisement we have given as 3D Diwali, releasing on 2017.
Is it true that this will really cost you around 350 crores?
No, it's going to end up more.
Welcome to a special edition of Red Carpet. This week we have with us Mr. Raju Mahalingam, the creative head of Laika Productions, who pulled off one of the biggest coups in recent times, the 2.0 first look launch in Mumbai. It was a great launch and been talked about in the Indian media and worldwide as one of the best ever shows in recent times. Welcome to the show, Raju.
Yeah, morning.
Morning. How did you pull it off? It is such a spectacular show.
Actually, we were planning to have a grand Muhurat for this film. That was last year. But you know that we had huge floods that time. So Rajini sir in person did not want it to have a big function that time. So we were doing such a big film. We wanted to have
a very big
function. Yeah, that's right. So we had convinced him for the first look. So that's how it fall in place.
Why in Mumbai?
We did not want this film to restrict itself to a regional flavor. So what we thought was, it's a pan-Indian film. Rather than to call it as a pan-Indian film, I wanted to call it as an universal film. I'm looking forward for this film like an Avatar or an Titanic, something like that, and I'm crossing.
The scale of the film is huge.
Yes. The magnitude is very big. People involved in it are all very
big stars.
Yeah, the Bollywood superstar, Indian superstar, the grandiose director, the Oscar-winning music director, and the Oscar-winning sound engineer, and the stunt directors, and all the people who are involved in it are very big. So we wanted to project it as a universal film.
Okay.
So what
you would be having other launches like audio, teaser, trailer launches?
It's just the beginning.
It's just the beginning.
Yes.
So you will be traveling around India for the launches?
Not only in India, throughout the world.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this will be the first Tamil film which will have a launch throughout the world.
Yes, definitely we'll be having lots of functions.
Wherever Tamil speaking people are there?
No, all over, wherever Indian language speaking are there, people are there.
Wherever the Indian diaspora is there,
Yes,
you are going to
correct.
That means you will have a American launch, Malaysian launch.
In the Middle East.
Okay.
Planning, but
in the early stages.
Yeah, it's too early to talk about it right now.
Raju, one of the biggest, what people are talking about is the hologram of Chitti coming, sitting there and talking. And that was a coup of sorts. We have never seen that in Indian cinema so far. So would you explain to us about this hologram, about the Chitti hologram, and what's really, how did you pull it off? And we have a lot of viewers who would like to know it in Tamil also. So please explain it in Tamil.
That concept is called as an augmented reality. So இது வந்து one day before ஒரு சிட்டி கெட்டப்பில் சூப்பர் ஸ்டாரை ஷூட் பண்ணி அந்த பர்டிகுலர் இடத்துல வச்சு ஷூட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அரௌண்ட் 20 to 23 இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் வேர்ல்டு வைட் were working to make that happen.
So it was a very well planned launch.
This is Shankar sir film.
ஸோ பிரம்மாண்டமான ப்ராஜெக்ட்.
கண்டிப்பாங்க. அந்த கான்செப்டும் சங்கர் சார் தான் அதை அப்ரூவ் பண்ணார்.
ஓகே.
இது வரைக்கும் நிறைய இடத்துல இந்த ஆக்மெண்டட் ரியாலிட்டி பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பட் இந்த டபுள் ஆக்ஷன் சார்ட் ஆஃப் இது வந்து இது வரைக்கும் யாரும் ட்ரை பண்ணதில்லை. தட் to see our favorite superstar in double action in the same stage. It was really thrilling even for us to see that.
Because a lot of people believed that first when he comes as Chitti, it is Mr. Rajinikanth.
Yeah.
But suddenly he comes from the stage from behind and talks. That was a really coup of sorts.
That's right. People have enjoyed it, but the work behind was huge and terrific actually. We had got only 24 hours of time for that to happen. Around lots of engineers throughout the world were working on it to happen actually.
Your invite card had the tagline, "A revolution begins in cinema." Is this film in 3D?
It is shot in 3D. 3D தான் ஷூட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் complete film. Most of the part of the film has been shot in 3D. It's not only the cutting edge technology which is involved in making the film, the budget which is involved in the film that makes the film very big actually. எங்கே போய் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம் அந்த படத்தை end of the day? தியேட்டரில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ நம்ம மும்பைலேயும் சரி, சென்னையில், கோயம்புத்தூரில், இந்த மாதிரி காஸ்மோபாலிட்டன் சிட்டிஸில் வாட் சார்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் வி ஆர் சீயிங், வி வாண்டட் த சேம் டு ஹேப்பன் இன் ஈவன் இன் த செகண்ட் டயர் அண்ட் தேர்ட் டயர் டவுன்ஸ் அண்ட்
பொள்ளாச்சியில்
பார்த்தாலும் அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபினிஷ் வரணும். ஸோ அது நாங்கள் செய்ய முடியாது. ஸோ வாட் வி ஆர் பிளானிங் இஸ் டு நோ pull in all the theatre owners, have a sort of conference organized in each and every state throughout India, and get in the 3D suppliers and have a conference sort of thing. And we wanted to make more and more theatres come into the 3D segment, so that the end of the day people from each and every place have got to enjoy Rajini sir so close to their eyes. Couple of times I've taken my kid to the shooting spot. He's 10 years old. ஸோ அந்த டைமில் அந்த 3D ஷூட் பண்ணும்பொழுது அந்த அவுட்புட் வந்து வி கேன் see it in the 3D glass itself. அண்ட் அப்போ ரஜினி சார் ஷூட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த போர்ஷன் பார்க்கும் பொழுது, அப்போ அந்த கண்ணாடியை போட்டப்புறம் he used to go just catch Rajini sir. He'll try to catch even though he knows that he's not there. So such a good hi-fi technology is being used in this film. It's going to actually all the kids in India will enjoy it. Throughout the world will enjoy it.
Okay. So this film is full 3D.
Yes.
Okay.
Shot in 3D. Yeah, it's not, that's what I even mentioned this in my the thing in the first look. It is not converted into 3D. It is created in 3D.
Okay. It
shot in 3D.
Revenant has been shot in 3D. Adu madri all the new films from Hollywood are being shot in 3D.
Correct.
So this is you are saying the first Indian film which has been shot using a 3D camera.
Correct.
Why don't you have a tie up with some banks also to fund the theater to have
That's what we are planning for, a big conference sort of thing where we'll have big time bankers, we'll have suppliers of 3D equipment, and all the theaters in that particular state will coming into the place, and they'll have mutual interaction with each and everyone. ஒருத்தங்க பேசிக்கிட்டு என்ன இப்போ ஒரே ஒரு எக்யூப்மெண்ட் ஒருத்தர் வாங்க போகிறாங்கன்னா எக்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் காஸ்ட் வரப்போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னால், பல்க் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் when they go into get completely, then they'll have probably 40-45% of discount on that. So we are providing that scope. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So this is big news that Laika Productions will be going all out to equip theatres not only in Tamil Nadu but all over throughout India to make 3D facility possible in their theatre to watch this movie and enjoy it. The depth and the beauty of it will come out better in 3D.
Yeah.
And at the audio launch, even though everybody knows, even a child knows that the film Mr. Rajinikanth is the hero of the film, but he was magnanimous. He was said there that Akshay is the real hero of the film. So tell us, who is the real hero of the film?
The real hero of the film is director Shankar. அதாவது அவரோட உழைப்பு வந்து அபரிதமானது. I've been there to a couple of places where he was shooting, even in Delhi. ஏப்ரல் மே அந்த சமயத்தில் இந்தியா விட்டு எங்கேயாவது வெக்கேஷனுக்கு போகலாம் அப்படின்னு எல்லாருமே டிசைட் பண்ணி போகிற டைம் அது. அந்த டைமில் ஒரு ஷூட்டிங் வந்து டெல்லியில் ஒரு ஓப்பன் ஸ்டேடியமில் வச்சுருந்தார். ஸோ ஐ வாஸ் தேர் ஆக்சுவலி. 2 நாள் நான் போயிருந்தேன். இங்கேயே ஹீட்டில் இருக்க முடியாது, பட் டெல்லியில் சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். 45 ட்ரை ஹீட், 45 degrees 50 degrees. ஆனால் பயங்கர எந்தூசியாஸ்டிக்காக எல்லாரையும் மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணி எல்லா டெக்னீஷியனையும் சந்தோஷப்படுத்தி அவருக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அந்த படத்தில் he was getting it. So, as far as I am concerned, Shankar is the real hero.
Real hero.
Yeah.
And then what about the stars in the film? Rajinikanth and Akshay Kumar, you have got a casting coup.
What has happened was Rajini sir was earlier as a sequel of Robo
Ended.
1. Yeah, Rajini sir was there. The second hero was not finalized as on that date.
But there are talks that Amir Khan will do it. So many people.
No. We were discussing with Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Ah.
So that time, and there was some lots of contractual issues, so which we could not take it forward. So Arnold couldn't make in this film. So that particular time I was discussing. So we thought that okay, because the shoot was to start by January, and the discussion was with Arnold was during December, and we didn't have much time. So what we thought was like I spoke to my chairman and he said whether we'll have to, I don't know how to take go about it, as in like we'll not have a big star as in like Arnold or a Bollywood star, because it was the time was too short. So I thought somebody else will have to rope in from the south itself. But definitely with this budget, I gave a calculation that we will end up in negative side. But after hearing to the script earlier, my chairman was very adamant. He said,
Mr. Subhaskaran
Yes,
said
yeah.
he loved the script of
Yes,
the film.
yes,
So Mr. Subhaskaran read the end.
he didn't read the script. The director narrated the script actually. He was completely blown out, and he said whatever may be the thing, we'll have to go ahead in this production. So he never, that's the reason even I said that if you would have calculated, sat on arithmetic, this magnum opus wouldn't have started.
It started, okay. So, but is it true that this will really cost you around 350 crores?
No, it's going to end up more.
அதிலும் பெருசா சார்?
Yes, it's going to end up more now. Because after தெரியல இது the working on the thing, definitely it's not 350 crores.
So it will cost cross 400 crores. How are you going to recover this budget?
I think it will not be difficult to recover, because it has now opened up a huge market, yeah, throughout the world now. There's lots of inquiries from China, even from Japan. I think it's not going to be difficult for us
So it will be dubbed in other world languages like Chinese and other things.
Apart from Indian languages, we are planning to dub it in Chinese, Japanese, and in English.
In English. So this would definitely cost now more than 400 crores is the latest from Mr. Raju Mahalingam, and he says what the recovery is going to be, it's going to have a global market. Yes, it will release simultaneously in China and all other places in their respective
Excuse me, not simultaneously in China.
Okay.
The Chinese, Japanese and English version would come a little bit later.
Okay, so first the Indian versions would come, and then later the other versions would come for the movie. Mr. Raju feels that it would be profitable, and Mr. Subhaskaran of Laika, the big chief, said that the subject is so good that he is confident that he will recover his cost and maybe make a profit. What about Akshay Kumar? He is done amazing job as per the posters, and he looks deadly. Just explain to us about Akshay's role in the film. And Rajini himself has said that he has overshadowed him, and he may, people will talk about him after they see the film.
Actually, Akshay ji came into this project because of his sheer passion and love towards cinema, and his love towards Shankar sir and Rajini sir. That only had brought him into this project. And as far as concerned, you would have yourself seen how he looks actually.
Yeah. And he himself said that he has never done makeup in his life, and he sat around for 3 to 4 hours doing the makeup. And it was a difficult job, but he was so satisfied with it.
Yeah. Well, that's what he said to me once. He was very much interested in being a part of this film. When I had met him earlier, he said, if in my life I'd have to give something to my kid and say that I'm an actor, this would be the film. I'll give this DVD and say, see son, your dad has done this film.
And Rajini sir, has he completed all his portion in the movie? Or?
A little bit of portion to be shot, and it's all getting over probably another 35 days, that's it.
And Rajini sir and Akshay combination scenes are all over?
Yeah, almost over.
Almost over.
Yeah.
And by the end of this year, you would be able to complete the rest of the movie?
There are lots of graphics work has to be done, and it will take its own time.
know,
Otherwise, the
because-
shooting is almost 80% is over. Yeah.
80%.
Yeah.
Okay, that's understandable because this film is more on sci-fi than on anything else.
Correct.
And also, it's supposed to be having heavy on graphics and special effects.
Yes.
Tell us about the kind of technology used for the special effects. Is there anything will it be as good as a Hollywood?
Yeah, it will be like as good as an Hollywood film. It will be like an Hollywood film where you will have Rajini sir and Akshay Kumar in it. That's it.
In the poster, it says 3 Diwali. Why?
If you look into it, it is 3D Diwali.
Oh, okay, 3D Diwali.
Everybody is going to. Normally, people would love to have burst crackers. This Diwali, everybody you are going to see with the 3D glasses with them throughout India.
But do you think the film will be ready by Diwali? You will get it censored much before that, or what is the?
Yeah, it will release. That's what we have done. All our advertisement we have given as 3D Diwali, releasing on 2017 3D.
Yeah, it's a good day also. Thursday, I think, October
correct.
19th.
Well, we have a long weekend.
Initially, it will be releasing in how many languages? In Hindi, Tamil, and
Telugu. Yeah.
Three languages.
Yeah.
Does all the any rights of this film has been sold so far?
No, we have not started.
Okay.
Yeah.
But at the Bombay meet, I met a lot of people who had said that they come to meet Mr. Subhaskaran
Yeah.
regarding the business of the film.
Correct.
And they want to snap it up immediately.
Correct.
Was any deal done after that?
No, that's what I said. We have not yet opened actually. We wanted to, since the as earlier I've talked about the increase in cost. So we wanted to know what exactly it's going to come up to, and then we'll open up the business.
How would you compare your film with Bahubali?
That's a different genre, and this is a different genre. Ours is a sort of science fiction with a universal concept in it. Bahubali is an historical.
And a lot of people in the trade feels that if Bahubali 2 does well, this would do extraordinary. There will be craze for this movie.
We too feel the same. The combo, Rajini sir, Akshay sir, Shankar சார், ரெஹமான் சார், ரசுல் பூக்குட்டி எல்லாரோட காம்போவும் மிகப்பெரிய காம்பினேஷன் இது. ஈவன் எந்திரன் 1ல் வந்து நம்ம ரஜினி சார், சங்கர் சார் காம்பினேஷன் பார்த்தோம். இதில் அக்ஷய் சாரும் இருக்கார். ஸோ த்ரூ அவுட் ஃப்ரம் காஷ்மீர் டு கன்னியாகுமரி தெர் வில் பி ஹியூஜ் ஹைப் ஃபார் திஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட் தட் நாங்கள் எதிர்பார்க்குறோம், அந்த மாதிரி வரப்போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எதிர்பார்க்குறோம். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் 3D பர்சனலாக எனக்கு ரொம்ப நான் ஆஸ் அ ஃபேனாக நான் பார்க்கணுன்னு நினைக்கிறது வந்து இந்த 3D. ஸோ ரஜினி சார் எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும், எவ்வளோ பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல தேவையில்லை. இங்கே மட்டும் இல்லை, நார்த் இந்தியாலேயும் அவர் மேலே இப்போ மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு ஈர்ப்பு சக்தி கொண்ட மனிதர் அவர். ஸோ அவரை வந்து 3Dயில் ரொம்ப க்ளோஸாக நமக்கு பக்கத்தில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோன்றது ஒரு ஆஸ் அ ஃபேனாக எனக்கே பெரிய ஒரு சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது.
All the best,
Thank you.
Raju, and I hope you rock.
Thanks.